Welcome to Tonxpay, a luxury next-generation blockchain earning platform built for speed, security, and automation. Get ready to experience a premium system designed for smart digital growth. Tonxpay runs on the Ton network, combining transparency with modern technology. With a clean, futuristic interface, everything starts with one simple action. Connect your wallet and begin your journey. About Tonxpay. Tonxpay is designed with a vision to create a structured, transparent, and technology-driven earning ecosystem powered by blockchain innovation. Under the leadership of Daniel Rice, CEO and founder, the platform focuses on combining automation, financial intelligence, and global accessibility to deliver a premium digital experience for users worldwide. Tonxpay integrates modern fintech architecture with secure blockchain infrastructure, ensuring efficiency, reliability, and Tonxpay offers 5 earning streams: promotional bonus, sponsor bonus, AI bonus, community bonus, and rank and rewards, creating multiple paths for income. To register, connect your Ton wallet, enter your username, your upline ID, and your investment amount, confirm your transaction, and complete verification to activate your account. Access is simple and premium. Use the 3D flip login system to sign in instantly or switch to registration in one smooth motion. After activation, your deposit is placed into the funding wallet. This wallet manages your deposited balance and prepares it for staking and system participation. Inside your dashboard, you'll see multiple wallets: funding wallet, main wallet, promotional wallet, split wallet, and reinvest wallet, each with a specific purpose for balance and sustainability. Now let's stake. If you invest $100, the system allows up to 25% from the split wallet, that is $25, and the remaining $75 comes from your funding wallet or personal balance. Promotional income follows smart usage rules. Within 24 hours, up to 25% is usable. After 24 hours, up to 10% becomes usable, ensuring long-term stability. Tonxpay includes an AI income engine. The base daily return starts around 1.5% and can rise up to 3.33% depending on your team performance and activity conditions. The referral system includes 10 levels. Level 1 pays $1, levels 2 to 10 pay $0.5 each. Each level unlocks when you have one direct referral for that level. The community bonus distributes rewards across 10 levels. Level 1 is 8%, level 2 is 5%, and levels 3 to 10 are 2% each, with one direct referral required to unlock each level. Tonxpay provides a structured VIP rank and reward system designed to increase user income as their business grows. Starting with VIP 1, users require $5 self-business, $25 direct business, and a total team business of $250, unlocking a weekly income of $3. VIP 2 increases the requirements to $10 self, $50 direct, and $750 team business, providing a weekly income of $7.5. VIP 3 requires $25 self, $100 direct, and $2,500 team volume, offering $15 per week. VIP 4 advances to $50 self, $250 direct, and $10,000 team business, generating $35 weekly income. VIP 5 requires $100 self, $500 direct, and $50,000 team business, unlocking $125 weekly rewards. Finally, VIP 6 requires $250 self-business, $750 direct business, and $250,000 team volume, providing a weekly income of $250. Each VIP rank from level 1 to level 5 provides weekly bonuses for up to 10 weeks, creating structured and predictable earning potential within the Tonxpay ecosystem. When you withdraw, Tonxpay follows a smart distribution model. 50% goes to your wallet, 35% goes to reinvestment, and 15% goes to the split wallet, supporting both payouts and system sustainability. Your premium dashboard gives you quick actions: deposit, withdraw, stake, team, rank and rewards, and the AI machine, all designed for fast control and a luxury user experience. I need help? The built-in AI assistant guides you through ROI, deposits, withdrawals, and account questions, and you can create support tickets anytime. In profile settings, you can update your details, upload your image, manage security, and complete verification steps to keep your account protected.